This was holding my phone when I'm taking the videos here. But as you can see, it's gone. And I will put it somewhere like this. Or yeah, cheap. That we did work. Or something like this, or like this. Yeah. But now we have improvement. This is 101 how you become a streamer or YouTuber. I will take it out from holder. Yeah, this is homemade tripod, or we can say pod. This is pod, one pod. No money, no pain, no money, no gain. So as you can see, my intelligence do this, so it's not gonna damage my phone while recording, and you can do like selfie. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Or you can go like this. Amazing. It's around 1.5 meter long. And maybe I can put patent on this. This is for stealth recording on construction site. Yeah. Stealth record. Stealth pod. Or what we can call it, construction pod. No, it's not tripod. Tripod has 3, like this one. So it's one pod. Yeah. Until we make till 1000 subscriber, we will have this. And yeah, right now no one knows I'm filming from my construction site. And I would like to stay like that until I get fired. Then they can know. But I think they don't like when I'm filming. So because of that I'm staying quiet. This is for another project. I'm making barrel for barbecue barrel. That's my work until Friday this week. Because job is a little low right now. And yeah, we demolish this hill and the bridge, and I'll make a video soon about that. Maybe it will be fun for someone. For me it is. That's the reason I'm doing it, because I like it. And I want to film it for anyone else. But yeah,